welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're going to be working on a 2005 Ford F-150. We're going to be taking out the stock bulbs and we're for the headlights, and we're going to be installing these Oracle LED H13 bulbs. This is a low and high beam bulb, so it's everything you need, and it's going to be going in this spot right here. I'm going to show you everything that you need, all the tools that you need to install these bulbs, and all the processes you're going to need to take. I got these sponsored by car sponsors and AutoAnything.com. If you want these headlights, it's a great website to get them from. So let's go and get started. Here's your package. Here's your headlight. That's all you have right there. You don't need a resistor pack. You got this fan deal here, and that's it. There's your light. Make sure you don't touch the LEDs. So here's your stock headlight assembly here. Now you've got one 10mm bolt here. You've got one up in there. Then you have one down here. That'll be your first steps. You'll remove those. So grab yourself a 10mm socket, a wrench, and probably an extension. You're definitely going to want an extension. And then you might need a flathead, and I'll show you why here in a second. And once you get your headlight assembly out, that's going to reveal your 3 light bulbs in your headlight assembly. This is your headlight bulb that you're going to be replacing. As you can see, there's a rubber gasket around it here. This is your H13 plug here. And in order to remove this plug, you press in on this tab here, and this is where flathead comes in handy, because it can be kind of a pain. You're going to remove your rubber gasket. Your flathead may come in handy a couple times during this process. Just pull it out, set it aside, revealing the inside of your headlight assembly. You're going to turn left on the bulb, pull it out. Now we are going to take our new bulb, being careful with the LEDs, of course. Go in here. Make sure you get it in the right spot. Make sure it drops down in there. And then turn it to the right in the reverse way that you turned it left to get it out. Now, before you plug this in, you want to make sure you put your rubber gasket back on. Try to get it in there as good as possible so you don't have any water leakage into your headlight assembly. Go ahead and plug in your new headlight bulb. It should go right back in the way it came out. And this little clip here, at the top of the plastic piece, it goes inside a hole. You want to make sure that that's in there. Now that you have your new bulb installed and your headlight assembly back in the way it was, everything's tightened down, we're going to go ahead and make sure that all of our lines are flush as they are on the other side. And then we are going to do a light test right now. Make sure that the bulb is good to go. Looks great. And that's the end of our project. So we're going to close down our hood and maybe take her out for a drive and test out the new headlights. That was my installation of the Oracle H13 LED headlights on this 2005 Ford F-150. I hope this helped someone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other videos, and I'm going to have a LinkTree link in the description to where you can go check out my other accounts like Instagram, RevKit, and all that other good stuff. I've also got discounts for detailing products and clothing, so go check that out. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.